In the third last verse of the 9th canto, end of 9th canto, practically that's the end of the 9th canto, Sukadeva Goswami says, Yasyananam Makarakundala Charu Karna Brajat Kapola Subhagam Savilasa Hasam Nityotsavam Tatrupur Drisibihi Pibantyo Naryo Narasya Muditaha Kupita Nimesha. He is describing, Sukadeva Goswami is describing Krishna's lotus face. Krishna's lotus face, he says that Krishna's lotus face is Yasya Ananam, whose lotus face, Anana means face. Yasya Ananam Makara Kundala Charu Karna, his lotus face is adorned with beautiful ears on which are decorated with earrings which are like sharks. They are shark-shaped earrings. Makara. Makara means shark. Makara Kundala Charu Karna, his beautiful ears, they are adorned with Makara Kundala, shark-like earrings. And Brajat Kapola, his two cheeks, they are brilliantly shining. They are very smooth and shining. Brajat Kapola Subhagam Savilasahasam, and Krishna's face is decorated with a beautiful smile. Savilasahasam. And this lotus face of Krishna, with his beautiful ears decorated with earrings shaped like sharks, and with a beautiful smile on his face, and with two cheeks which are brilliantly shiny, this is Nityotsavam. This is a constant festival for the Brajavasis who are always seeing Krishna in front of them. And Nityotsavam, in this world, if every day we are having Diwali, what will happen? After 3 days, after 4 days, we'll get fed up. We'll say, enough, some other festival let us play. Isn't it? But in the spiritual world, Nityotsavam, every day they are having the same festival. What is the everyday festival in the spiritual world? Looking upon, gazing upon the smiling lotus face of Krishna. Every day is the same festival. But na tatrupur, even though it's the same festival of gazing upon the lotus face of the Lord, na tatrupur drisimihi pibantyo. The Brajavasis, the Gopas and the Gopis, Naryo Narasya, the Gopas and the Gopis, Drisibihi pibantyo, they were every day with their eyes, they were drinking the beauty of Krishna's lotus face. But still, na tatrupur, they never got satiated. They never got fed up. They never felt, oh, enough of this. Something else beautiful we should see. No. Every day they were seeing Krishna's beautiful lotus face, but they never got satiated. Every day they wanted to drink more and more of Krishna's beauty through their eyes. And on the other hand, instead of becoming fed up with seeing the same lotus face of Krishna every day, on the other hand, what the gopis started saying, that Muditaha Kupita Nimesha, although they became happy when they were seeing Krishna's lotus face, Kupita, they became angry. Why? Because Nimesha, when they were gazing upon Krishna's lotus face, their eyelids would start blinking. And when their eyelids would blink, momentarily, for a fraction of a second, their vision of Krishna's lotus face would get cut off. And they would start cursing the Creator, saying, what kind of Creator is this? He has given us only 2 eyes to see Krishna, and those eyes also has made it blinking, so that every once in a while our vision of Krishna's lotus face gets cut off. In this way, the gopis were feeling dissatisfied that we are not able to see Krishna constantly with our eyes. They not only were they not satisfied with simply seeing Krishna's lotus face every day, they were not satisfied because their eyes were still blinking and cutting off their vision of Krishna even for a fraction of a second. That is why it is Nityotsavam in the spiritual world. Every day is a matter of great joy in the spiritual world to gaze upon Krishna's lotus face.